Well, good morning again. It is up that far. Now I've got to go put some wood on the top. So check out the situation over here. Look, not much left. Alright, very exciting. Let's get busy before the rain comes. Did you check out that sky? Oh, that's not good. Alright, let's do this. Alright, this is what we got here. The wall doublers. Got my materials, and I'm gonna jump on it. Hey, look at that. I've got something on my roof. Now I can put a tarp over it if it starts to rain, and that was pretty much the main goal. I don't know how much I'm going to get done today, but I'll probably have to take a break for rain for a few days, maybe even a week. Wait, here we go. See what I can get done before the rain. That done. Looks like I'm gonna put the sides of the top on. So there we go. Let's do this. Alright, well those don't go on yet apparently, they just build them. So I didn't really show you that because it was boring. But look, there's two built cable sides or whatever. Cable units. Well, it's not perfect, but should protect from the rain. Alright, it's been a couple hours. Rain has stopped. We've completed this, and those are right over here. Now we're going to work on the gable overhang ladders. And we're just going to do it in a little tarp workshop I put together. So here we go. Well, we got those built. It was pretty humid in there. Now on to the next thing. It is raining out there, and you know, it's kind of helping. But we are getting a little bit there, and probably on the other side. And in here, there's that puddle. So, that's a bummer. But the rest of it's very dry, and that is, I'm grateful for that. Okay, since it's raining pretty good out there, I'm gonna have to skip this page, and unfortunately the next page also needs me to be outside, but I don't have these clamps, so I'm gonna go to Home Depot and grab them, and I'll double check if there's anything else I need. I believe I do need some kind of sealant caulking kind of thing, so I'll get that taken care of while I'm there too. I'll be back. It's a little windy out here, but I'm gonna try and get I think it's called a gable, put it up there. I had to remove part of the tarp while it's not raining, get that up there quick, and then I can cover it back up. So let's see what happens. Please don't let the wind blow everything off. Okay, now I can go ahead and take those clamps off and go inside, and there's a couple of screws here and here and here and here. Anyway, I'll do this side and then I'm going to get the other side and we'll come back and see where we're at.